going on, folks? I'm about to be doing an unboxing of some car parts that I received from Yitamotor. Alright, the first thing that I have is a car cover, which is basically a breathable car cover that you could use to put on top of your vehicle that actually allows like some air to get to your vehicle, because you don't want to have it completely sealed off. Sometimes it can make your paint or something like that bubble up if it's completely no air going to it. Also, it's just good to have a car cover over your vehicle. Say you got a car that's just kind of sitting and you don't want bird poop on it and insects getting on it, as well as leaves and stuff like that. So it's a good ideal to cover up your car with a car cover just to protect the paint and to protect it from the weather and all that. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to be looking at is actually some double color fog lamps that I also received from Yitamotor. These fog lamps are going to be put into a Chevy Avalanche. It happens to be a Z71 1500. But these are some really nice fog lamps because it actually has two colors. It has a white color on it as well as it has a yellow color on it. They're 12 volt, 20 watt, 2600 lumen. And also these fog lamps are easily installed, which I'm going to be doing later, but they're basically plug and play. So if you can look right here, you can basically see the fog lamp that you'll have two different options on it, that once you install them, all you pretty much have to do is click the button. If you click your button once, it'll make it be, say, the white fog lamp color. And if you click it and turn it off, then click it again, it'll come on with the yellow fog light color. So it's pretty easy. And the install of it, like I said before, is basically plug and play. All you got to do is disconnect your old fog lamps or your standard ones and then plug this part right here right into your power harness that was going to your old fog lamp, and this part pretty much will just screw right into the opening that you had your old one into, pretty much. And I'll be showing you how to install it in the next video. If you want to click above, you should see the install video up above. Alright, so basically you got two of these, and you can purchase these off of Amazon. You can look at the link below. There should be a link taking you to where you can purchase these fog lamps at. Alright folks, once again, this is doing an unboxing of a car cover as well as some fog lamps. And these fog lamps are the X5 double colored fog lamps, which has a white and a yellow color into them. Alright, please check out our other great videos and please subscribe. Thanks.